and welcome to HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Today we are going to be making a really cute kids foam Christmas tree. So all you need for this is some green foam, red ribbon, some crimping scissors, coloured buttons, and some glue. So what you need to do is to draw a Christmas tree outline onto your foam and then cut it out. Mums and dads, you can do this and give the Christmas tree to your children to decorate. Next, we're going to get some ribbon. And glue it on. Glue it on however you like. Keep going. Now it's time to decorate with the buttons. This is a really great opportunity for kids to get creative and celebrate Christmas. And there you have it, a really easy and fun kids foam Christmas tree.